Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today in this video I am going to discuss how I managed to score 92 in the SBI JA prelims examination. As right now many of you are attempting the mock test but are not getting good percentile like 90 plus. So everybody is confused. That's why I am making this video, and this will be a prelim strategy video for SBI PO, as the SBI PO prelims examination is around 26 days far. So this will help you, like it is not 26 days, it is about 19 days I think. So hopefully it will help you in the SBI PO prelims examination. Okay, I will tell you exact things which I did for SBI JA prelims examination, and it has boosted my confidence also. So first of all, I will start with quants. So earlier when I filled the IBPS clerk form in 2020, and there I managed to score 73 in the prelims, but the cutoff was 79, so I could not get through. After that, like at that time I was new to bank examinations. After that, what I did was, I am going to share with you all. First of all, there is quant. Okay, earlier I did not study quants chapter wise, but after appearing for IBPS clerk, I started studying quants chapter wise. Okay, and for quant I followed Ashish Arora sir's quantum batch, and I used to start my day with the quant classes, because it is said that the things which you find difficult, you should start your day with those things. Okay, so used to start my day with quants classes. Like I used to attend one class. After that, I used to try to complete the homework given by sir, but I was not able to complete it on every day. But yeah, I used to try my best. Okay, so this is what I did. I just completed Ashish Saroda sir's classes for arithmetic. Okay, and for DIs, I did not do anything for DIs. Like for prelims level DIs, I did not do anything special. I did not practice TI from anywhere. Okay, I just used the mock test for prelims level DIs. I just attempted the mock test. I did not practice separate TIs. Okay, and for the simplification approximation number series, I used to use the Guidely's PDF course. In the PDF course, they used to give like daily simplification arithmetic questions, because it is not easy to find these type of questions on daily basis. Okay, so I used to practice those questions separately, because my speed was not that much good in quants, and solving these type of questions increase your speed. So I used Guidely bundle PDF course for that. Okay, and for arithmetic, I just made notes from Ashish Arora sir's classes, and then I just resolved them. Okay, I did not use any book. I used Ace Quant, but after that, after completing the homework, I just used to solve the maths notes again and again. Okay, so this is it for quants. I did not follow anyone for prelims level DIs. Okay, I did not watch any YouTube sessions or any particular batch for prelims DIs. Okay, I just followed mock test. Then there is reasoning. So first of all is that for reasoning, first I cleared my concepts of reasoning from, there is one teacher named Anshul Sani sir on YouTube. You can search him by his name. I cleared my concepts of miscellaneous reasoning from him. Okay, so I was good at miscellaneous, but the main thing was puzzles, and the reason for failing IBPS clerk prelims was also puzzles. So I had some fear of puzzles in my mind. I used to think that I will not be able to solve this puzzle, as like by seeing the puzzle I used to get a fear in my mind. But I had to tackle this. So what I did was, I started attending 1000 puzzle series classes of Ankush Lamba sir on Unacademy. Okay, you can find these things in my daily schedule videos. At the time of SBI J prelims also, I used to attend two classes every day of 1000 puzzle series. After attending the classes, I did not practice. Like I just used to attend the classes. But after that also, I did not get much confidence. Like learned how to solve the puzzles, but I was not confident. So what I did was I started solving puzzles separately on daily basis. I used to solve 5 to 6 prelims level puzzles on daily basis, okay? And for that also I used the Guideless PDF course, and there was one option to attempt the PDF in the test format. So I used to attempt one quiz of puzzles from there. Okay, I used to attempt only puzzles because I had to increase my speed in the puzzles. So I used to attempt 4 to 5 puzzles every day from their PDF course. After that, for reasoning, like I was good to go, I was getting good marks in reasoning, but like my reasoning was just average, and right now also my reasoning is average, not that much good. Okay, the next part is English. So for English, I had a habit of reading The Hindu from the last 1 year. So it I did not find any problems in reasoning, but when I was starting my preparation, the first thing I did was I started completing the grammar wise, like the grammar chapters, and I followed Nimisha ma'am's plus classes, and I just watched all the sessions of grammar, and after that I attended the 120 rules classes. Okay, I just did this. I did not do anything particular for English, and I just used to read one article on daily basis. From there is an app, vocab 24 app. So I used to read English from there, and my attempts in SBI JA prelims was 29 in English, and then 28 in quants and 35 in reasoning. So this was my attempts 92, and the score I got was 92.50. So my exam was on first day and in the first shift. So in the first shift, like in the other shifts, quant was like of somewhat high level, but in my shift the quant was moderate. Okay, so my shift did not get that much normalized score because we had the paper like not that much of high level, it was moderate but comparing to other shifts. So this is all what I did, and now it is time to prepare for SBI PO prelims also. But the thing which has helped me is that it has given me a confidence, because earlier when I failed IBPS clerk prelims, I got some self doubt that I will not be able to clear any prelims anytime because due to puzzles. So I started solving them particularly, and I advise you that you do not need to practice everything separately. Okay, there is no need of that. But if you are feeling stuck in any one subject or in any one topic, then you need to give some extra time to that. You should, like if you are good at puzzles, then you, I think you will cover them in the prelims mock test. But if your calculation speed is slow, then you should work on it separately. This is the main thing. Okay, working on your weak areas. If I had not given much attention to prelims level puzzles, then I could not have scored good in the reasoning section. But I improved my puzzles, and this is what I advise you also. If you are getting stuck in English, then work on English. Okay, there is no way. You have to work on your weak areas, and that is all. And all the best for SBI PO prelims. And after this, I am going to start one mock test challenge series like I started for SBI JA prelims also. I am going to start with SBI PO also. Okay. Plus one thing I forgot is the mock test. So for SBI JA prelims, I attempted around 17 to 18 mock test, and I never attempted two mock tests in one day. Like everybody has their different way of attempting the mock test, but I am not able to attempt more than one mock test in one day. Okay, and before 3 to 4 days of SBI J prelims, I got very bad marks in the prelims mock test, so I just stopped attempting them before 3 to 4 days of the examination. Okay, and plus I used to solve all the questions of the mock test. Like after attempting the mock test, I used to solve it all. The questions which I was not able to solve, I used to solve them all. Okay, so that is I had done for the mock test, and I had used mock test from all the sites. Okay, from the easy ones also and the difficult ones also. I used all of them, and For the reasoning section, I told you that I used the guidelist PDF course, and if you are planning to buy their PDF course, then you can go for it because it helps you to improve your weak areas. You can work on your weak areas, particularly like I worked on reasoning. You can work on maths or English also. Okay, so if you are going, if you are thinking, then the link will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get discount also. So that is all for this video. I really wish you well for the SBI PO prelims examination. Thank you.